You're probably sitting on a sofa while watching other people's success, thinking about all of the ideas since your childhood and looking at your wishes that never came true. Or probably sitting on your desk at work and lots of thoughts come to your mind, like drawing, playing a guitar, singing, learn how to code, practicing yoga, or just any other skill. All these activities look so strange to you. Things that looks doable before turn to impossible. Let's be honest and see how this day-to-day routine replaced with limitless dreams of childhood. What sits between where you are and where you are supposed to be? Fear of failure pops up with tons of excuses that shackles you. You feel like a prisoner because of these obstacles. How about my family? I'm not educated enough. I don't have time. I don't have enough money. I'm too old for it. After those self-pity talk, there is a resisting voice trying to convince you maybe tomorrow, if I have time, but it never happens because you are obsessed with your comfort zone. It just follow the basic law of inertia. A mess at rest tends to remain at rest. You are at rest and peace with your excuses, and as long as you follow the same type of resisting idea, you remain where you are. You live with your excuses and adapt. Now we know there should be a force that can change your direction from stopping stone to rolling stone. Let's discover this magical force that can make your impossible dreams happen. Imagine the things that you've always dreaming of. Any goals and things that you have postponed for months and maybe for years. There is a secret, and together let's discover it. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. And ready to take off.
This is the secret. Do it now. You need the movement, and do it now is the fuel. The first step and most important one is decide now and do it now. If you don't design your own plan, you will become part of somebody else's plan. Do it now with single movement, with single action. If you wish to be a runner, you just need to move your legs first. If you wish to draw something, the first step is to sharpen your pencil and draw your first line on a paper. If you want to quit smoking, it starts with the first decision, and do it now. Thousands line of code that run a computer program starts when a button on a keyboard is hit. The most profound songs start with the first note. You just need to dare to place your hand on piano. Be determined to the first step now. Keep abundance mindset over victim mindset. Ignore all excuses like age, gender, health condition that came from lack mindset. In abundance point of view, you are capable of the impossible. Do it now in a way you haven't done before. Narrow your steps on the present movement. Just enjoy each moment of your journey. Don't even worry about the destination. Some beautiful path won't be discovered without getting lost. The path reveals itself. The obstacles in path becomes the path. Keep going, keep moving. That's what matters. That's what's important. Your first decision is important. The first line draw. The first book to read. The first call to make. The first product to sell. You need to be courageous. You need to be courageous and make your first decision now. Nature loves courage. Make the commitment and nature will respond to that commitment by removing all impossible obstacles. Do it now with massive action. Do it now like a champion. Believe that you are born to be successful. Focus 100% on what you are doing in this very moment. Dream the impossible dream now, and the world will not grind you under. It will lift you up. Do it now with passion. Do it now with integrity. Do it now with courage. Do it now. If not you, who else? If not now, when? Do it now. Sometimes later become never. Do it now. Do something now.
Motivox, spreading motivational voices. If you like our videos, subscribe, like, and share. Do it now.